Hey everybody, I am making sure that we all understand a quick and easy way to update some features on the vehicles that perhaps didn't get inputted correctly in Vauto or in our era for Era Ignite. So here is a quick example of one vehicle that you see here. It's red in the picture, but down here in the description, it shows that it's a dark gray. So, the question is which one is correct? And obviously, like, it could be correct. Obviously, the color is correct in the photo. However, does this stock number even pertain to this photo? So we just need to double check everything. Now, looking here, you want to make sure you get the VIN number is the quick and easiest way. So you can just double click. If you're on the website, you can copy it from there. The other way is you can definitely just take the stock number, but at the end of the day, you're going to want the VIN number. So you can go over to your inventory and put that stock or that VIN number in. It's going to pull up as long as you don't put in the word stock. So go ahead and put that in and it's going to pull up this vehicle. Now you see here it's dark gray metallic, okay? So you're going to want to update that if that's incorrect. Now when you click on it here, that information is under vehicle info and it's actually down here in dark gray. But let's double check first. So if you look here, the dark gray with the leather, that's probably what happened. They just doubled, they added that dark charcoal or dark gray twice, just not, sometimes we get in a hurry. So let's take that VIN that we just had and open up GM Global is the best way to do it, in my opinion, to make sure at the end of the day the VIN number is correct with the color. And that's the only real way to do that unless you go out and look at the car. In GM Global, I have it under my shortcuts, investigate vehicle history, but you can also go into service and it's going to be the first one here. So clicking on investigate vehicle history, you're going to want to put that VIN in and get history. It's going to give you the ability to see recalls and other information here, but what you're going after is this view vehicle build. And you click view vehicle build and you're going to look for the color. The color is typically towards the top. So right here is Victory Red. Okay, Victory Red is the color, so we just need to update this information. This you see here is dark charcoal. Dark charcoal would pertain to the inside, the interior. And then you have the dark pewter interior trim. So this is the seating, and this here is the actual trim inside. So it also will tell you all sorts of other things about the vehicle, including the LT trim options. You can find out all sorts of stuff here. So if you read through it, you'll definitely be able to get a better understanding of this vehicle. And this is 100% correct because it came from GM from when it was built. So you'll want to go back over here to the vehicle. And I already have it pulled up here, so that's why it's not pulling up. And you're going to want to change this color to Victory Red. Okay. When you save it, it'll update. But some other things that you want to pay attention to is this area. So making sure that, is this an Allison or is it HD 6-speed? Again, just use the same information that I showed you before by pulling up the GM Global stuff, and you're going to be able to see, if you're not for sure, you're going to be able to find it in here. So right here tells you it's the Allison 5-speed automatic. Okay, so the Allison 5-speed automatic. So you can just update those items, and then that way the next person doesn't have to question it, and they can quickly get to that call or help the customer that they're talking to, and not have to worry whether it's correct or not. Here it's incorrect as a dark gray, so I would want to make sure that I updated it as Victory Red. And then we're going to save and close. Now, anyone in the BDC can do this. The managers can do this, but just make sure that when you're changing anything, you're correct in what you're changing versus just guessing or saying, "Oh, that's just not right." Make sure that you have the correct information before updating. But as long as you do that work, then it should be good. You save it, and it will update the website as well within just a few minutes. So I hope this helped. And if you guys have any other questions, definitely get a hold of me or a manager who has access and understands Vauto and how all that works. But I hope this helped. Have a great day.